Hi, I'm Melissa Griffin, contributing editor with Pro Food World magazine, here at the International Baking Industry Exposition, and this is the new West Hall of the Las Vegas Convention Center. So let's see what's going on at the show.
Exhibitors displayed ingredients, edible decorations, and various package designs. A few sustainable and efficient solutions on the show floor came from Babco with its hybrid tunnel oven presented by Vice President Jerry Barnes, followed by Jeff Schaffer with Graco and its electric diaphragm pump.
Our answer has been to develop what we call a hybrid oven. Much like you have hybrids with automobiles, we've presented a tunnel oven with the capacity to run either standard natural gas, liquid propane, or electricity. And it provides end users with the option of choosing the fuel that makes most sense for them. Here in the United States, natural gas is probably 6 times cheaper than electricity. If you live in New Zealand, well, electric power, hydroelectric power is very prevalent. It may make sense where you're looking for energy solutions to move over to electricity. So what we have here is we have the ability to run either a gas-fired burner or an electric element, either all electric, all gas, or we could start the oven with gas, then switch over to electric. We provide this ability for end users to give them the flexibility to meet sustainability goals, whether that's net zero, it's carbon neutral. We want to provide end users with choices and solutions that make sense for them.
Here in our booth, we're highlighting one of our new pumps. This is an electric diaphragm pump. Typical diaphragm pumps run off of pneumatic air power. This has an electric drive with a control right on the pump. You can change speed, vary your pressure and flow. The real benefit for end users here is controllability and energy savings. Compressed air is really inefficient. This reduces your energy savings by up to 80% compared to pneumatic pumps. And you have a lot more controllability as far as speed and pressure. We can run digital inputs and outputs to control the pump and start and stop the pump and give feedback to your systems.
Also exhibited were AMRs to free up the bakers from menial tasks, industrial washers, bulk feeders, and other machines such as conveyor belts and steamers from Steamerica.
Hi, my name is Ebony Young. I am the Sales Operational Director for Steamerica, based out of Los Angeles, California. We're here at booth 7605 at the IBIE show, displaying our dry vapor steamers, which uses 0.08 gallons per minute, about 220 degrees at the nozzle, which helps you sanitize, clean, no excess water, and really no need for chemicals.
This air-driven pneumatic conveyor tool is designed to clean various belts from 4 to 60 inches wide, covering 5.9 to 39.4 inches per second, and can reduce labor hours. A last product from Festo has turned out to be high in demand among bakers. Ryan Kroger, mechanical designer, demonstrated the company's soft grippers.
What we have here is one of our 4-finger adaptive grippers, great for a lot of different shapes and sizes. If we pick up the muffin here, you can really see how the fingers would adapt and shape to the object we're picking. If we go to a longer, skinnier object, you can see the fingers will rotate in and act as a parallel gripper, so you kind of get the best of both worlds out of one gripper. The same gripper can be used for smaller objects, shown here. And then if you have larger objects, we can actually apply pressure to expand the finger spacing there. More about the construction here. To operate it, all we're doing is applying vacuum to the membrane and then positive pressure to open the fingers. This can all be controlled via a pressure regulator or a proportional pressure regulator if you needed different gripping force on different product shapes and sizes. The material will be a FDA compliant IP69 ingress protected housing.
After a great week here in Las Vegas at IBIE 2022, stay tuned for more coverage from the show floor.